औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम and good morning all of you. How are you all? I am fine and I hope you all are fine too. जी बच्चों, जैसे कि आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि हमारे सामने काउंटडाउन बुक 2 है और आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर। जी बच्चों, मैं आज आपको मैथ्स पढ़ा रही हूँ और आज हम लोगों ने मैथ्स में करना क्या है, इसके लिए हम पहले थोड़ी सी एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे ताकि इससे आपको पता चल जाए कि आज हमारा मैथ्स का टॉपिक क्या है। ठीक है बच्चों? ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू लुक हियर. ओके, विच नंबर इज दिस? जी, it is number 2. And which number is this? This is number 3. What comes after 2? What comes after 2? 3. And what comes after 3? 4. Which number is between of these two numbers, 2 and 4? 3. 3 is between 2 and 4. 3 is between 2 and 4. And what's come before 3? 2 comes before 3 and 4 comes after 3 and the 3 is between. So today we have to do the topic is before, between and after. 3 is between and 2 comes before 3 and 4 comes after 3. In the same way, which number is this? This number is 5. What comes after 5? Yes, 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes before 6? Yes. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 6? 5. And what comes after 6? It is number 7. What comes after 6? Yes, number 7. And which number is between 5 and 7? Yes, 6 is between 5 and 7. 6 is between 5 and 7. जी बच्चों, हमने इससे पहले किए हैं असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम लोगों ने किया है फ्रॉम द नंबर स्मॉल टू बिग, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, एंड अ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर द नंबर बिग टू स्मॉल। जब हम लोगों ने बिफोर, आफ्टर एंड बिटवीन करना है तो हमने क्या चीज़ ज़हन में रखनी है? जी बच्चों, हमें काउंटिंग आती है और काउंटिंग के लिए हमने कौन सी चीज़ ज़हन में रखनी है? जी बच्चों, लुक हियर। जब हम लोग आफ्टर नंबर्स करते हैं तो हम लोगों ने सीधी काउंटिंग करनी है। कैसे करनी है? जैसे हम लोग काउंटिंग कर रहे होते हैं लाइक दिस, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। ओके, लेकिन जब हम लोगों ने बिफोर नंबर्स करने होते हैं कि इससे पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है, तो हमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग आनी चाहिए। ठीक है, तो बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग 9 8, what comes before 9? 8, what comes before 8? 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1। आफ्टर नंबर्स में हम काउंटिंग सीधी करेंगे और बिफोर नंबर्स में जब हमें आनी चाहिए तो हमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग आनी चाहिए। जिस तरह हम लोगों ने डिसेंडिंग नंबर्स में फ्रॉम राइट द नंबर फ्रॉम द बिग टू स्मॉल, इस तरह से जब हम बिफोर नंबर्स करते हैं तो हमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग आनी चाहिए कि 9 से बिफोर क्या आएगा? व्हाट्स कम बिफोर 9? 8। व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 8? यस, 7। व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 7? 6। व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 6? 5। एंड व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 5? 4। व्हाट्स कम्स बिफोर 4? 3। And what comes before 3? 2. And what comes before 2? 1. And what comes before 1? That is 0. Okay? Now we have to look here to clear. जी बच्चों, आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या था कि we have to clear the concepts of before, after and between numbers. Before, after and between numbers. We take any number. We have to see the number lines here. We have to see the number lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. We have to choose one numbers, any one, and we have to write, check what's come before these numbers and what comes after this number. Okay. For example, I have to check the number 7. Okay, it is number 7. I have to check what comes before the number 7. We have to read the backward counting from this. 6 comes before of number 7. 6 comes before of number 7 and 8 comes after number 7. 6 comes before number 7 and 8 comes after number 7. And what is the number 7? The number 7 is between 6 and 8. Number 7 is between 6 and 8. So we have to say it. Number 7 is between. कि ये जो नंबर्स था ये इन दोनों नंबर्स के दरमियान में है. ठीक है. तो बिफोर नंबर्स हमने बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग से स्टार्ट कर दिया. आफ्टर नंबर्स हमने सीधी काउंटिंग से कर दिया. और जो इसके दरमियान में नंबर्स आ गया था वो क्या आ गया था हमारे पास, बिटवीन, यानी कि ये इसके नंबर्स के दरमियान में नंबर्स था. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू डू अवर वर्ड्स इन अवर कॉपीज. सो यू हैव टू, आई होप यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड how we have to write the before, after and between numbers. In the before numbers you have to do the backward countings जो हम लोगों ने पहले असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अच्छी तरह से समझ लिया था. अब हम लोग तो निकालेंगे अपनी कॉपीज़ को. जी बच्चों, नाउ यू हैव टू ओपन योर कॉपीज़. ओके, you have to draw your margin lines first of all, and then you have to write the topic, what comes before, after and between. What comes before, after and between. First of all, we have to left the 3 blocks. We have to draw the line in the 3 blocks and we have to left 3 blocks again. Okay, and then we have to write the numbers. Okay, now we have to write the read the numbers. Which number is this? Okay, this number is 342. Which number is this? We have to read the numbers because we have to write the number names, so it is very easy. Now we have to read the numbers. Which number is this? Yes, this number is 342. What comes before 342? Okay, if we have to check the last number, person before 2, yes, 1. So we have to write the numbers which is 341. What comes before 342? Yes, 341. Now we have to check which number is this. Yes, this number is 861. 861. Birds come before 1? Yes, 0. And we have to check that these two numbers, birds come before 61, that is 60. 60. So we have to write 860. Okay, which number is this? This number is 306. 306. What comes before 6? Yes, 5. What comes before 6? 5. So we have to write 305. What number we have to write? Yes, we have to write 305. These lines are in the front of these numbers, so we have to write the before numbers. If we have to check the next question, this number is 129. Which number is this? 129. We have to left 3 blocks and then we have to draw the line. This line is after the numbers, so we have to write the numbers what comes after these numbers. If the line is before the numbers, so we have to write before numbers. If the line is after the numbers, It's mean we have to write the numbers what comes after these numbers. Okay. Now we have to read these numbers. Which number is this? 129. Which number is this? 129. What comes after 29? Yes, 30, 30. What comes after 29? 30, 30. So we have to write the number 130. 130. Okay. Which number is this? This number is 634. Which number is this? 634. What comes after 34? Yes, 35. And what comes after 4? 5. So we have to write 635. Now we have to come to the next question. Which number question is this? 548. 548. What comes after 8? 9. And what comes after 48? 49. So the number 548 we have to write. After 548 it comes 549. 549. Okay. Which number is this? This number is 109. 109. What comes after 9? 10. What comes after 9? 10. So what comes after 109? Yes, 110. What comes after 109? 110. Which number is this? No. You have to see the line is between the number. This number is 232 and this number is 234. We have to write the numbers in the same way. We have to left the 3 blocks. Then we have to draw the line. We have to left 3 blocks again. And then we have to write the numbers. So you have also do this work in the same way. What comes after 232? And before 234. After 32 it comes 33. क्या आता है बच्चों? Yes, 233. Now we have to read it in the sequence. 232, 233, 234. If the number is in the complete sequence, it means we have to write it in a correct way. No, we have to read the next numbers. Which number is this? Yes, this number is 399. And which number is this? This is 401. 401. What comes before 1? 0. And what comes after 9? 0. 399. It comes 400. It comes 400. It comes 400. Now we have to read it in the sequence. 399, 400, 401. 399, 400, 401. Now we have to come to the next question. Which question is this? 708. 708. We have to left the 3 blocks and we have to draw the line again. And we have to left 3 blocks again. And then we have to write 710. 710. What comes after 8? 9. And what comes before 10? It's 9. So we have to write 709. 709. 709 comes in the between, so I have to read it in the sequence. 708, 709, 710. 10. Now we have to come to the next question. 865. 865. Words come after 5, 6, and words come before 7, 8, 6. And if we have to read the two numbers, tens and ones, 65, 66, 67. So the number is 865. We have to write 866 and 867. 865, 866, 867. जी class. Now you have to write the numbers. Words come before. If the line is drawn the before, so we have to write the before numbers. If the line is after the numbers, so we have to write after numbers. If the line is between the two numbers, we have to write between numbers. We have to write before, after, and between numbers in our copies. After that, you have to open your books, page number 16. You have to open your books, page number 16. And the question is, write the numbers that comes before, after, between. Okay, now look here. Here's the block come before. So we have to write the before numbers. Like 342. Which number we have to write? Yes, 341. What is this? Yes, it is after numbers. Because the block is drawn after the numbers, so we have to write after numbers. Okay, 129, 130. And what is this? It is between, because the block is drawn between the two numbers, so we have to write the between numbers. Okay, we have to write some numbers in our copies. You have to complete the page number 16 on your book. Okay जी बच्चों, आपने जो इधर काम करना है, you have to do with it your lead pencils. आपने यहाँ पर काम अपनी lead pencil से करना है. You have to write the before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. और जो बच्चों आपने अपनी कॉपीज़ के ऊपर काम करना है, वो आपने क्या करना है कि आपने ये नंबर्स जो होंगे, ये तो आपने अपनी lead pencil से लिखने होंगे. यहाँ पर जो आपने लाइन ड्रॉ करके नंबर्स लिखेंगे, वो आपने किसी भी कलर से, लेकिन डार्क सा कलर हो, उसके साथ आपने अच्छे से करके कलर से आपने लिखने हैं. जब आप स्कूल जाएंगे तो टीचर ने आपका काम चेक करना होगा, तो इसलिए आपने अपना काम नीट एंड क्लीन अपनी कॉपीज़ के ऊपर और अपनी बुक्स के ऊपर आपने इसको कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, आपने अपनी कॉपीज़ के ऊपर भी बिफोर, आफ्टर एंड बिटवीन नंबर्स लिखने हैं, और इसके बाद आपने अपनी बुक्स के पेज नंबर 16 के ऊपर भी आपने बिफोर, आफ्टर एंड बिटवीन नंबर्स लिखने हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखना है. अल्लाह हाफिज़.